Good morning. I'm Bastien from BVN Real Estate. We are in San Juan del Sur. I'm a realtor, and today I will show you a lot just in these centers. So we are waiting the topography exact to have the exact size, but I will say it's almost a quarter acre lot. I'm going to show it to you now. We are in the neighborhood called Barrio Français. So it's a back neighborhood. We are like 4 blocks from the beach, 5 blocks from the beach. Could it be a 10-minute walk? We are 3 blocks from the main park with the Catholic Church. Could it be 5 minutes to walk to? The lot has very easy access. I'm going to show you now to you. Here we are. So the entrance of the lot is here. We are probably 60 or 70 meters from the main road, the paved road. Here we have an easy access going down here, arriving on the platform and touching those hills. So the construction could be going near those trees and have almost at least a city view, not water view, but second floor or rooftop terrace will have like a great view and a great breeze. I see some trees near me, but I see some, here you have some dragon fruits on the tree. There is some jocote, the very small acid green fruits. It's very good. So it's a flat terrace, flat lot. So listing price is $35,000. Makes it actually very interesting because there is no other product, no other lot for sale in city centers. And this one will have at least 3 or 4 times the size of any other lot that they will offer you. So could it be in square meters? I would probably say 600 square meters, 700 square meters lot. Easy to build. It's already connected to water and power. We have the power line who pass here. It's a small neighborhood. It's a closed street. There is 4 members of family who have built houses. We're going to see other next to us. We have a listing we have. It's called Casa Canvas. We go next, and I will share the link of the video if you want like already a based house, a canvas to design as you want. But it's a very nice property. I'm going out of the property now. We're going to walk together until the main street to show you that we are in city center. So here I will leave the gate, the limit of the lot. I'm out now of the lot. We have a last look on the lot. You see, flat area. There is an access road that goes here on the left. So we join this road. There is a small hill that it could be clean to have our construction there. It's a very good location. I think any construction here will run very well. I was managing some apartment just down on the street on this neighborhood, and it was actually very easy to rent. Short-term rentals or monthly rentals was running very well. So I'm probably finishing the 60 meters I said, and here we arrive on the paved road. So you see we are very near. Going up here, we go to Paradise Bay. So we have some lots there. They are more expensive, but they are of course ocean view lot. And if I go down here on the left, you will see here we are on the neighborhood. So Français, south, and we are 3 blocks from the church of San Juan del Sur. We'll be like 6 blocks from the beach probably. Mango trees here in the street. It's dry season now, but mango season is coming soon. Let's go back to the street. Here is our street, closed street, and there is for now 3 houses in this neighborhood. On the left, the road left going up, there is houses. So today this lot is listed at $35,000. It's the owner who decided, but I will totally agree and think that the price is correct, very correct. And if I compare of what is available in town, I will say that first is one of the only lot available. Second, it's still actually at a good price. And yeah, I will say that it's a good opportunity. Build something here will be easy. So here I'm on the border of the lot. And our lot from the owner stopped at this tree here, and we'll join straight to the other tree. So it's an eighth of an acre, a bit more. We see here actually I have a breeze. It's very agréable, I will say in French, but we see the back of the bay. So second floor will give you some view. Okay, I will stop this video and I will go now to record this house, which is Casa Canvas. We love this house. I will link the video of this house on this video too. Okay, bye bye. Thank you very much to have watched this video with us.